Good early morning. How are you, Sam? Time now is 5:38 a.m. Today is December 4th, 2017. Just I'm trying to share the answer or the doubt that you do have between Brisbane, Australia, and California. Just for the time being, California is now there, December 3rd, 2017. Now time is 17:38. 17:38. In Chatham, New Zealand, this is Chatham, New Zealand, there the time is now 15:24, but it is December 4th, 2017. And here the comparison will be much fair because both of them, they have summer solstice. Summer, here winter. But here I have Easter Island, now it's summer solstice, summer season. And still it's 20:39. This is the time. So there is a gap of 3 hours between Easter Island and California. Easter Island 8:39, and Los Angeles, it's 17:39. Now it become 40. Do you know that sun sets at west southwest? Do you know that, Sam? This is so weird for me that Los Angeles sun sets here. This gives me an indication, about what? That this is not the real shape of America. America has to be twisted a little bit like that, then the sun can set here. If this shape is correct shape, then it has to be angled like that. This shape has to be angled like that, then the sun can come from here, from, they said 116, so 116 is true from that side, and sits here, this side, because this is twisted like that, so the sun will set here. That's what I want to share with you, mate. Look, sun direction is 251, still west southwest, and it is already sat almost 1 hour back, and it's sat at southwest. And this is what I want to share with you right now. This is Easter Island. Easter now there, the time is 20. I said there is a 3 hours gap, west southwest. The sun is there west southwest, and it's going to set right now because there is some little angle there, and time of setting is almost 9 p.m. But in Chatham, which is ahead of you, like I don't know, 3 hours, maybe 2 hours to 3 hours. Now it's 3 there, here almost 6, because of the angle of Chatham. This is why there is some differences in minutes, because of the angle. It should have time saving. Because it has again different unique angle. Can I check that? They are not saying here if she has time saving or not, but by this time I'm absolutely telling you that it should have time saving. Anyhow, let's go back to what it says there. Sun is there at altitude of 300 almost, and it has west northwest, which is logic. It's okay. The point is here, what I want to share with you, Sam. Look, the time is 3 hours gap between Easter Island and California. Meanwhile, look to the degrees now. The sun, where they should used to say it's 251 west southwest, and here in Easter it's west southwest, but it's 246. So only 5 degrees. 5 degrees the differences. Meanwhile, there is 3 hours, 3 straightforward hours. 3 straightforward hours. Okay, this is my point. This is my point to you. In California, sun sets at west southwest. West southwest. This is not the case. It's supposed to set at west northwest, something like that. This is the maximum, otherwise it has to be northwest. But why it sets on west southwest? This is what they said, and they prove it with even the direction and angle numerical number, 244 degrees southwest. This is here. This is for Easter Island. For California, it's not far away. For California, it's again 243. So from 244 to 243, the same. Only the change is in the time. The time there, here in California, less time, so it's a little bit more earlier. Here, no, extended time. Suns needs more time because of the arc, and summertime will take much more time. The direct sun is there. Time is third there, but in Chatham it's already fourth. Chatham, it's already fourth, and this is the data that I'm getting there. There it's 3:30 p.m. afternoon. Here it's already 20:45. So the gap is between Chatham and Easter Island from the sun ecliptic time. It has to be something like oh my god, this is too much. 10, not 10 hours, 22 hours. No, this is incorrect. 3:30, and here 8:30, almost you can say 8:30. 3:30 to 8:30, this is 5 hours gap. 5 hours gap, but actually, as what they used to say, it's 18 hours, 19 hours. Okay, 19 hours from the sun direction, and only 5 hours vice versa for opposite direction. This is which I cannot understand, Sam. This is what I want to share with you. Thank you very much. Hear from you soon. Saleh Al Wahdi, Flat Earth Organization. Bye.